There's always that one shot you know most cameras won't hold. The one where the frame has to be perfect. I genuinely thought I didn't need another camera until I saw what this one caught. Wait, this is tiny. Okay, this is actually really pretty.
3 completely different product ads with the same tool. I wanted to see how far this AI ad tool, VidMuse, can actually stretch. So I gave it 3 totally different jobs. A cinematic ad, a UGC style ad, and a full unboxing. All of these videos just took 1 prompt, a few reference images, and 15 minutes. The first test was the fictional VOS M2K, a slow motion camera built for capturing the stuff most cameras miss entirely. Before we begin the 3 tests, let's quickly explore the product ads page. This is where you can see all of the available video styles, giving you a clear overview of what VidMuse can generate before we dive into the demonstrations. To be exact, I gave it 3 reference images, each shot from a different angle. And that actually matters a lot, because the more angles the tool has to work with, the more consistent the product stays once it starts moving inside a video. I also gave VidMuse the product name and the key selling points, which you can enter right there when you create the product. Then I picked the cinematic ad option. And the last few things to choose before starting the video creation is horizontal or vertical and 720p or 1080p. That's it. And then the whole canvas opens up and the agent goes to work. And this is the part I actually enjoyed watching. You see every single step happen in the chat window as it builds. You really understand how smart it is because it shows all the thinking processes and doesn't hide anything. And one moment sold me on that even more. I hadn't given it the conversion goal for this ad, and instead of guessing, the agent stopped and asked about it. In a clean little pop-up, I could answer it in 1 click. Then I got to watch the visual design board come together. The character, the props, the location, all laid out before the ad was even rendered. And here's the final result.
There's always that one shot you know most cameras won't hold. The one where the frame has to be perfect. Every frame captures the stuff most cameras miss.
With commercially safe AI-generated music and sound effects already added into the video, all the details, all the elements you need for a final ad, they were there. And if you want to push it further, you just talk to it or you text it. I asked it to slow the reveal shot down. I asked it to change the camera movements of a few clips because they were too static. And this was just like 1 short prompt and it did it. Now to the second test. This time I asked for a UGC style ad. In that casual phone look and this casual creator energy, someone talking straight into the camera. And I used the same product images again. Now, I just added a full prompt that I also generated just with Claude, and I got a completely different video compared to our first cinematic ad. And that's the range this tool actually has. And that works pretty quick in any editing app. So here's the final result from VidMuse. So you see what I mean by saying I would just add some actual camera shots.
I genuinely thought I didn't need another camera until I saw what this one caught. I mean, I film everything. My phone does the job, right? Look at how compact this thing is and that lens.
Wait, okay, that's actually insane. It's not that other cameras are bad. This one just catches the stuff they miss.
Now the third test, a completely different product, this time the Orlan Beam Mini. I asked for a classic unboxing style ad, clean desk setup, satisfying reveal, and just an easy narration. This time I only uploaded 1 reference photo, but that photo had 3 different angles of the product in it. And VidMuse caught that on its own. It split those 3 angles apart automatically and used them separately in the visual design. I didn't tell it to, it just understood what it was looking at. And every canvas comes with its own creative brief. The product selling point, the target audience, all of it laid out before anything renders. The status bar up in the top right shows you exactly what's done and what's still in the queue. And in the chat, at every single step, you see the exact amount of credits it costs and deducts. And this result honestly impressed me as well. It looked realistic and the final edit was usable straight away.
Wait, this is tiny. Okay, this is actually really pretty. And look at that light. That's so warm.
3 completely different ads, 3 completely different tones, and I use the same tool. A shoot like any single one of these normally means a different crew, different gear, a different day entirely, a different script, different creative approach, and this did it all in 3 simple prompts. Use my link down in the description to get 500 free credits and try it on your own. I'm excited to hear what you think. Based on the things you saw in this showcase of VidMuse, let me know down in the comments what you think about it. And if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to follow. So we see each other in the next one. Happy creating.